How to cancel StockX order before it ships. So if you want to cancel StockX order before it ships, then first you need to open up the website and you need to log into your account. So to log in, you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. And go for the search and search for StockX. Go for the first search and it will take you to the website, and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in to your account, now you can simply open up your StockX and go for your profile, which is here on the upper right. Click on the profile. Once you're on the profile, here you will have all of the profile settings on the left side of your screen, right? So you need to simply click on the buying option. So here you will have buying on the second, and here, so once you click on the buying, here it will show all of your items that you have currently purchased. So if you click on the current tab here, which is here, you will have all of the items that you've ordered, right? So if you want to cancel the StockX order before it ships, then so for here I don't have any orders because I have not ordered anything, but you should see your current orders here. So if you want to cancel it, you can simply select that order, and after selecting the order, hit the cancel button. So it's that easy. Simply select it and then cancel the order. So it was that easy to cancel the StockX order before it shipped. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.